I want us to talk, man to man, one-on-one. Let's discuss.
You want us to talk, man to man? Where's the man? Hello, man. Where's the man?
Who's playing with you? No, do I look like a joke to you? You think I'm here to joke with you? Now you know how serious I am. Now look at me. I want to talk to you. You see, in this house, this thing you are doing in this house, you have to be very careful. It's high time you stopped it. What kind of nonsense is that every time you are bringing sin into this house in the name of boyfriend? What's that one? What's the pretense for?
What did you just say?
What did I just say? Think I don't know. Every time, BFF, BFF. I know the meaning of BFF. You know not stop the wine us. BFF means boyfriend forever.
Good afternoon, sir. Nine.
Oh, afternoon.
Oh, thank God. Though.
Who are you looking for?
Oh, Biasa. Is she at home? I have officially come to ask for her hand in marriage. You know, I have to give you respect. That girl makes me happier. You don't know, Nine. But I have officially, by myself, I want to begot her as my wife. Don't worry, I will make her happy.
You want to begot Asa, my daughter, as your wife?
Oh, Odimnobi. Anytime you could just, even in my dream, if I just hear her mouth or I hear anything, call now my tongue go just, I'm not going to even know when you go just bust out Asam. Oh, Odimnobi. Don't worry, I will make her happy.
Look, if you begot her as your wife, what will you be doing with her?
Oh, I will live with her from now to eternity. I give you respect. In fact, your ancestor, they really blessed you with that, their former ancestor. I love her like that too. That girl, each time I see her, they move. Oh, her movement, anything about herself, sweetest me. Don't worry, I will make her happy. You will see.
Look, can you take care of her as you are now?
Very much. I have a very good handwork. Yes, sir.
You have a very good hand.
Oh, you don't know.
And yet you cannot take care of yourself? Look at you, poverty-stricken young man. Who brought you into this compound?
Odimnobi, Asa, you know the love drives me. He's blind. That's why I was able to locate.
You can't even button your clothes. Is it this rag that you will be giving to my daughter to wear when you begot her? Let me understand you.
It's not like that. So you don't have to look at my physical appearance. If it is the way I'm looking, no problem. If I'm coming next time, I can even go and change clothes, or I will borrow from Azunka. He has a very nice clothes, so that will look presentable. That girl really makes me happy. You don't know. I will kill goats. I will kill anybody because of her love.
Who brought you to this place?
I came on my own.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a palm wine tapper.
Hey! Palm wine? Palm wine tapper?
A very fresh one. Hey. If you taste it, your life will never remain the same.
Oh, come for you again. My village enemy. My village enemy. I've sent this one. Oh, Kafo, you sent this one to come and torment me here.
I'm not here to torment you. I only came officially because of the respect I have for you. Ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
No, but Kafo sent you here to come and torment me, to torment me and my daughter.
No, who is Okafo? What are you talking about, Ichie?
For my village, he sent you to come and torment me.
If she's inside, tell me, or I can actually wait so that she will come back. I can wait till eternity.
Will you run away from this place, sir?
I
said, run away. Run away from here.
I saw him.
I said, get away.
Asam, Pino, please, yeah.
Oh, yeah, what's that? I love your daughter. Run away from here. Who is it?
Hello, Papa. Papa biko ka nna ya oge. Akpọtazina ndị ichie ka ha bịa nụọ asa. Stop bringing old men to come and marry us. It's not nice. She's your daughter and not a goat at the market that is up for sale. Eh? Papa, please. She's not a yam seed. Please. Mazi, what? Papa, that man that... Papa, I thought that man has like 12 wives or what? That is the person you gave Asa out for marriage? Papa, what is this now? Rumor has it that that man touches small children. Have you not heard? Papa. Hey, Jesus. Jesus. This is not good. This is not good at all.
I'm going back. I'm back home.
I sent you to your husband's house. Eh? And you're coming back here to do what?
I cannot stay with that man. No. His breath stink. Like it stinks so bad. Ha! He could literally kill a rat, even a cockroach. It's so bad. I cannot even go there, beg.
Look, you must go. You must go to that man. Eh? That is your husband.
I will not go. Why do you want to force me to marriage at this age? You're very wicked, you're a wicked man. Do you know that I can report you to the police and they will arrest you for a wicked act? Why are you sending me off? Am I the cause of a problem? Am I the one that says you got borrow money that you cannot pay back? Now you want me to pay for your sins?
Oh, you call me a wicked man? Because I sent you to your husband's house so that things will be better for you. Your life will be better.
Not for me. You're not doing it for me. You're doing it for your own selfish self. You're doing it for yourself.
You see, in this house, there will be no food for you in this house. There will be no food for you. No place for you in this house.
No,
you better go.
No, I will not eat anything. I will haunt you. Is this Sister Marachi? Okay, you think she will support you? Let me tell you, she's not happy in her marriage because you forced her into that marriage. Every time she'll be crying because of your nonsense attitude, your nonsense act. Every time you're borrowing money. Okay, now if I now, okay, for example, I now go to my husband's house now. If you borrow another money, who will you sell off to pay the money? Who will you sell off?
Look, you must go there. Your only salvation is if you have this money that I'm going to this man. Give it to me, I give it to him. That you will be free. If not, you will not enter here.
No, just mess up again. I'll just report it to the police.
Report me to police?
Can't play with
Look, if I ever talk to each other. Go.
Honey, please, I want to ask my little sister to come and stay with us for some time.
Same little sisters of yours that damaged my most expensive bag the very first time I met her. You want her to still come and stay with us? Hell no.
My husband, please now. Don't worry, she's a changed person now. I promise you.
My house is not a refugee camp. I said no.
Please. I promise you, she will not damage anything once she's here. Eh? My husband, please now. Listen, I promise you, she will not damage anything in our house when she comes. Please. I will talk to her.
Are you trying to bribe me by touching me or something?
I'm not trying to bribe you now, please. Okay, if you want me to give you your favorite style, I'm ready. I know you will smile. I know you will smile. Please, no. I promise you, she will not damage anything. She will be nice, she will be calm. I'll talk to her like I said, please. I just want her to come and stay with us for some time. I don't like the way she's in that village. And I'm not there. Please. Be calm. Dimoma.
Stop bribing me.
Dimoma.
Stop bribing me. Huh?
Awesome. Oyo. Oh yeah, eating cheleku. Huh? This is good though. It's full of vitamin. Asa, we'll be going to Chief Okolo's house. He said he will marry you. He have even paid the bride price. He's a good man. I like him, and you will like him. You like him. He's a good man. Very rich man.
I don't know if it's old age that is doing it.
Huh?
I don't know if it's old age that is making you to forget things, or if it's old age that is making you to act evil. You see, just the conviction is so evil. I told you that if you force me again, I will report you to the police. You think I'm lying? I will not look again that you're my father. I will report you to the police. I don't know why. What do you want me to go inside that marriage and do? You don't have shame. You don't get shame at all.
As I am planning so that it will be well with you in your husband's house. Okoro is rich.
Okay, in your man now. Because he's rich, if you take me to his house, if I marry him, and I'll be giving you money. If I give you money, then you know what's going on. If I give you money, you know that my name is not aside again.
Don't even worry giving me money.
I am not even thinking of going there, this man. I am not thinking of going there.
You must go there.
You will force me now.
You must
force me. I don't understand. You will force me.
Look at this girl. I'm planning that it will be well with you. You know about name.
You have small shame. Small shame. I'm supposed to be in school by rights. At this age, I'm supposed to be in school. Since you don't have money to take me to school, you should have small shame.
No, if you don't be in school, be in the husband's house so that the husband will take care of you.
If I am not in school, you should find work for me. If I am not in school, you should open shop for me. Plan for my future. Let me get money for my future.
Your future is in Okoro's house. Your future is in Okoro's house.
Which Okoro's house?
Look,
man, you are so evil.
You must.
Applause. Let me eat it.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
My husband. But my husband, food is almost ready.
Feed me, please.
No, I'm not going to do it. Yeah?
No, I want meat. This one.
Which one?
This one.
Take this one.
Ah, God! Stop that! Yeah, bring it here. You like it, right?
I love it.
Oh, I know you will. So, am I getting a conversation?
I want that next time.
My husband.
Yeah.
I want to tell you something.
Alright. All ears.
I want to remind you that Asa, my sister, will be coming tomorrow. She'll be spending some time with us.
Alright, I do not have a problem with that. But you have to caution her. Not messing around. She needs to coordinate herself. She needs to be a good girl for the period of time she will be here.
That won't be a problem, my husband. I'll tell her.
Then again, I don't want her going to a neighbor's house and mixing up with them or causing trouble.
I will let her know about all of this. So, does that mean she can come?
It's okay. She can come. She's free.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Is this a bribe or something?
Like dead body? Huh? This is the lock. Hello.
Are you mad? Why? You open the door looking up. Are you mad? Are you okay? Who do you want to insult?
Baby, Tata, sorry, yeah, no.
What's it? What's that one? Why are you dragging me? What's that one?
Where you from? Come, where your mama? Here no be the right compound where you supposed to enter. Here no be the right. This is we no get the baby daycare here.
Why call her madam? She's my sister. Fast.
Lie. I don't know why they say problem go just sleep. On the own they snore. Yanga go stand up. Hey, gotta go.
I said she can't call my sister.
Gotta go. You should be call your sister. You get sister for you? And I ask you where your mama do. May I call the police?
I go enjoy you if you touch me again. What's wrong with you now?
What is going on there?
Now listen, though.
Are you okay? Why are you calling T? That's my sister.
If I slap you, if I slap you, you, you don't like yourself.
Asa, what is that now? This is my sister. Why are you harassing her?
Is it now, sister?
Come and hug me now.
Nah, this is a man is getting me angry. What kind of nonsense is that one now?
Sorry. She's my sister.
Wow.
What do you mean by wow?
I didn't know. Now, sister. Wow.
Asa, sorry, Jerry.
Joy.
Carry your bag. Let's go inside.
Joy. Ndi mo, but I go.
You're 40 minutes late today again. I had to come and pick you up.
I'm sorry. You know how to wear my makeup and look good. I'm sorry.
Alright. The interview's for 9 o'clock, so don't mess it up.
I'll do my best. You have to make me a promise.
Okay?
If I get a job, you'll make your wife prepare me a special meal. How about that?
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Consider it done.
Yay.
You have to make me a promise as well.
What?
That you'll pass this interview.
Okay, I promise. I'll do my best.
Deal?
Yeah, deal.
Paradise on earth. Hey! People have money.
Welcome. Welcome to our house.
I'm welcome though.
This is where we are managing.
You're managing. Like say this one now, and that one over there for village, you can compare. You can compare, right?
I said, please leave me alone.
Cheer. Gold cheer. Oh, you bought cheer.
Asa, please. You have to bring your voice down. My husband does not like noise.
He does not like noise. You should know that somebody came visiting now. And that person is so amazed by what she is saying here. What are you not telling me? Look at now, look at her. This one before this show can go down. Hey! Bouncing castle.
Asa, stop. Asa, that's enough. Come, let me show you to your room.
Okay. Yeah, but if I have Ebe in your house.
This is not Ebe, Asa. This is not Ebe. Drop it.
But it's Ebe now.
This is very.
It's unmovable Ebe.
Asa, come. Where are you going? Come. This is the way to your room.
No, I want to go upstairs.
To go and do what?
No, you cannot give me room downstairs. I came visiting. I want to stay upstairs. It's like I'm coming down. I will not be climbing stairs. Let's watch movie. Other small girls, small children, they coming downstairs.
Okay. It is only I and my husband that stays upstairs. Okay? Downstairs are for guests. Please come on.
You have another room there now. You can give me.
Asa, don't stress me.
Wait.
Don't
be wicked now. See one. Give me one now, please now. Give me small one.
You see small thing. You want to drink wine? If I slap you.
Basa! Basa! Ana corona! Basa! Come out!
Hey.
Yaba!
Chief, I have not seen you in this manner. What is it?
I don't have time for pleasantries. Okay? Let me say it as it is. Where's my wife? Kedasa?
Basa traveled.
Traveled? To where?
She went to the city to see her senior sister.
Hey!
She will soon be back.
Basa, I paid on her head. I did everything you asked me to do. I gave you cow. I gave you goat. Yam, Gary. I even gave you money. And since I paid her bride price, I have never seen her or smelled her or seen her shadow in my compound. And you're telling me she traveled?
No vex. It's just like, girls, they just ran to the city. But what I will do is that you will assist me with the little money so that I will go to that city. Bring her back to you.
Chelo, wait.
Her to you.
You are still asking me for money?
Just to bring her to the city, from the city.
Little Toko. Basa. I think you are playing tricks on me. No. It's like you are using style to collect money from me. Okay?
How can I do that?
Basa. Let this be the last time. Let this be the last time. I believe it's that your account.
Yes.
Don't worry. I will pay something inside.
For transport and for card.
But listen to me. If she's not back in this compound, no, let me rephrase. If she's not on my bed, I will come back to this compound. Not only me, with the elders of this community. And I will not even come with this. I will come with I will cut off your head. Why?
It hasn't come to that. What I'm saying is just assist me.
Basa, let me not regret this. Let me not regret this. I will send the money to you. Okay. Go and bring my wife. Go and bring her.
Okay. Hey. Why is Chief boiling like this? No, if care is not taken, Chief will just burn down this household because of Asa. Hey, where? God save me. Oh.
Okay, no problem. I will do just that. I know that your best friend loves what you love. Alright.
You don't know how to cook very well. Who taught you how to cook?
Are you the one asking me this?
Have
you forgotten? The chef will go. The chef will go.
One of these days, allow me to cook.
Cook what? Give one marriage in milk.
No, I can cook now.
Who taught you how to cook?
Me, myself. I can cook now very well.
Asa, are you... I'm not an outsider. I'm not a stranger to you, Asa.
They play.
Should they play? Make I they play.
Use gas. Who taught you how to use gas?
My husband, of course.
If you marry, don't have to how to use it.
Free job question. He's the one that taught me how to use it. So that I can be using it to cook for him. To cook for us.
You know, in the village, you know,
Firewood.
So I know I'm asking. But you allow me to cook what I can cook now. I will change those. Look at the clothes that you wearing. Yeah, it's not the one you gave me that time.
Asa, you're funny. Wait, you think if I marry, I will continue wearing short things? No, now I'm a married woman now. Can't you see the way I'm dressing? This is how married women should dress.
One of these days, allow me to cook. I'll cook for you people.
Asa, what can you cook? Because the last time I checked, ordinary hot water, you don't know how to boil.
I can boil. Now I can cook. I can cook jollof rice.
Yeah. Please tell me, how do they prepare jollof rice?
You first of all put your red oil.
Red oil?
Yes, no.
Is it are you making oily rice?
No. Yeah, see. What do you now use to cook for your husband? You don't use to put oil in rice now. Red oil. You put your red oil. You now put your rice inside. Turn it. You stir it.
I stir it.
Yeah, stir it. So after stirring it.
Yeah.
Now put your water and now put your other concoction.
So what are the concoction? I mean, what are the ingredients you use?
Well, things that make you sweet like Maggi, salt, crayfish, onion, sugar, thyme, curry.
Eh? You will use sugar to prepare jollof rice?
Yes, you know that now, these days the salt that they used to produce is not salty at all. You pour, nothing will go. So you now add small sugar to bring the taste.
Okay, I'll add small sugar to bring the taste up. Asa, be careful, yeah? Till you leave this house, you can never, I will never allow you to cook for us.
Try it first. Try this method I just said now. You like it, I swear.
I should add sugar in the jollof rice.
You like it. That's the new method.
You want my husband to send me back to the village?
That's the new method. No, you think I'm lying. Can we beg?
Asa, I'm not heard. Even red oil. Is it red oil rice you are cooking?
Hey, bestie. Hey. I got a job.
For real?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So happy for you.
Thank you. So we get to work in the same company.
And
time for you to fulfill your promise. Straight to your house.
Come here.
Hey, bestie.
All right, get to the car. Let's go.
Oh, VIP treat.
Right. Is that mine?
Yes, ma'am.
No, leave it. Serve her first.
I should serve her first.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, well, that's okay. It's okay. Let me have this part. You know I love this part, right?
Yeah,
This one
yeah.
is sticking here. Thank you.
Jesus.
Thank Thank you.
Alright, you can now serve mine.
Okay.
No plantain.
No plantain.
Salad.
No.
There's tea.
Yeah.
No salad.
Right, it's okay.
Something.
You can have this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you. You didn't wait for us to pray.
No, I'm exhausted. I'm tired without this. Oh, wait. Let me just have this. That's okay. Do you eat that much? That's okay.
It's fine. Eat.
What's that for you?
Wifey?
May God bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yeah, come on. I know you like it.
You.
What is it? I said eat now.
Here again.
You give your husband food. She's giving your husband food in the mouth.
Okay. My husband.
Okay, I put in the mouth. Hold on, let's chop. He has finished it. He has swallowed it. And husband, he wanted to give you food in the mouth.
I said just eat your food.
Are you okay?
Stone.
Stone?
Yes, I just ate it.
There's no stone in this food. Though.
Is there stone in your food?
I don't know. Maybe we can know.
There's no stone.
There's no stone.
I ate stone. Do you mean I'm lying?
No, you're not lying, okay?
I'm so sorry about that. I'll be very careful next time.
What do you want me to feed you?
Oh!
Sorry, okay?
Sorry.
Is it intentional?
No, not at all.
Do you want to give me kidney stone or stone kidney? I don't know.
Not at
Is
all.
that your intention?
No, Miss Cindy. Sorry.
I'm not eating again.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I can make another food.
No! I do not want. I want something else.
Do you want me to feed you?
Yes, but this. I want fruits.
Hey!
Alright.
What's going on?
Nothing. Eat. Don't you hear what she said? That she ate stone.
Okay, there's stone to drink.
I don't know. Maybe she doesn't. Sorry, should I make you another
What do you
food?
want?
No, food is okay for me.
Do you like it?
Sorry, is there any cobwebs in this house, like spiritual cobwebs?
No, there's nothing like that in my house.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm not mom. Call me miss. I'm not your mother.
Okay, miss. Okay, sorry, miss. Sorry, can you help me introduce yourself? Like, tell me who you are.
Oh, the fact that you're new, I will. So, we are family. We are blood.
Your sister, we are sister.
We are blood. And we are BFF. Can you tell her what it means?
Best friend forever.
They're best friends.
Okay, best friends.
Yes.
Okay, also, please can you tell us who you are too?
What kind of question is that? Of course I'm his wife.
Okay, yeah, his wife.
Yes.
Okay, she is best friend.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, nice one. Sir, please, you know like I'm disturbing you, but I just want to know so that I'm new here, so that I know how to refer everyone. Please, sir, who is your wife?
Can you just short it?
I said, please eat your food.
What? Mind your business. Eat. Respect yourself.
Okay,
Can I get some more fruits?
Okay.
oh, sister, I noticed something. I noticed say this is your husband and this is best friend. Every time two of them are together. They're either talking together, laughing, playing. Sometimes I'll see only two of them on the bed though. Because that day I came to your room to look for you. I did not see, I saw only two of them on the bed. Sometimes they're just playing, laughing, all these things they do together, husband and wife do, they're always close. I've never seen you and your husband that close. So now why is it only your husband and the best friend every time your husband and are you having issues with your husband or something?
Asa, I am not having issues with my husband. As a matter of fact, my husband has been friends with Cindy for years, even before he married me. So I'm not jealous, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm fine.
No, there's nothing wrong with that a woman is trying to overtake your husband from you. You're not jealous.
Asa, like I said, Cindy is like family to my husband. Do you expect me to tell my husband to discard his best friend for years, even before he married me? Do you expect me to do that? It means I'm jealous. Then.
You're pretending that everything is fine, but I know you. Everything is not fine. Don't just pretend. You know that I used to observe things though.
Observer, everything is fine. Zoike.
Okay. Okay. I'm glad I'm telling you now. You don't know. Okay?
No. Dikeh. You're observing. What are you doing? What?
Let me help you now.
You want to cut your hand? Eh? Help me. Help her. Help yourself first. Don't help me.
I know you don't like helping people in this life.
Thank you.
Because you don't get appreciated for your efforts. Hello? If he's waiting for me, then you go and marry. Go and marry him. I don't understand. Go and don't call me again. See, you are even wicked, very, very wicked, for wanting to sell me off. Sell me off to the most high God.
I heard marry.
You heard married. What's my business with marriage? Do you hear anybody got married? Wait, you were listening to my...
I heard everything. Oops. Well, I cannot wait for you to leave this house so I can have my peace.
Me, I cannot wait for you to leave and not return again. I wish as you are living like something will happen to you so that you won't return again.
You wish? Continue wishing because I am here to stay. This is my best friend's house. We are more than friends. We are more than partners. We are blood. And you know blood is thicker than water, right? You know what we are? BFF. Best friends forever. Period. Cannot wait for you to go back to where you came from, Bush Village. Village girl.
Alengoso. Amoeba. Gata. Atinga no blood. Amoeba. Odogu in form of achalugo. They use Odogu body building. Use achalugo head put idiots.
My husband.
Baby girl.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How was work?
Very well. How have you been?
Fine.
Yeah, a quick one. How long is your sister staying? because she's becoming a thorn on my flesh.
My husband, come on. You just came back, eh? Relax. Let's not talk about this. I was even thinking of her getting a job and, you know, that's it. And thank you for letting her stay.
A month. I'll take her back to the village.
A month?
Yes.
You know what? Come, let's go upstairs so we can finish what we started last night. Let's not talk about this, okay?
Is that a bribe or something?
No, I can't bribe my husband. Let's go. Let's go.
What's that?
Nothing. Let's go.
Minisim! The small one, very tiny one. I don't tell you. You see this place, just disembark. If you want to survive for this house we see now, stay away from Auntie Cindy. Because Auntie Cindy and Oga, they be 5 and 6. Auntie Cindy and Oga, they be like fuel station and fuel. Auntie Cindy and Oga, na like Kaburu and overload. You don't fit do anything.
Make I tell you, me I fit do something. You know, say my sister they keep quiet for this house. No me say she don't get any strength too. Eh? You know, so that some people will get money, will get everything. Like people will get authority. They calm down, they observe first before they go strike. She just they calm down, they wait. You know, say my sister, I should be madam now. Me, I be second to madam because the blood there, but like madam blood. And now after her, because she's my blood sister now, that blood, that same blood still they flow for where I did. Now I be second madam blood. After her now me.
Blah blah blah.
That's in the now I just stranger. Best normal best is just stranger.
Yes, blah blah. No, take on blah 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 blah. Now what I do here blah blah blah. All this deceive you just deceive yourself now. Okay, they give yourself hope. You give yourself hope. They give yourself hope. But I tell you, you will not go fit to do anything. Just calm down.
You see,
back off and go.
For this life, you know, say, you know, they good make person they look down on people.
I tell you, seriously, because normally you they look down on me too.
True, you know good. Because I don't know why, as the second madam of this house, when you know, say I get power to even fire you. You go to insult me.
No. I don't want to make the thing reach insult.
No,
you don't touch me like this.
You insult me because now you tell me say I dey hope. That means this is what they talk now. You know even there your dictionary. Like I dey hope, I dey think count. That means no go ever happen.
Never. You no fit. If it didn't fit, if it can't.
Me will be second. Maybe you know say I fit sack you.
Sack who?
You know, I feel do you anything, nothing will happen. Maybe you know.
Oh.
By the authority I have in this house, I can do you anything I want.
Like this one, you see, my tell you something. Make you never reach insult because I go bundle you. I be your mate.
Me, I be your mate.
I be your mate.
I be your mate. No, because I come here and talk with you. I be your mate.
Now because of saying that, because now here you belong. Go. Now because of saying that here you belong. See, like them when they attract like them.
No be like that. Now unlike them, they attract like them. I be negative attract positive.
Oh, that's so.
Mugu, you're insulting me. See, I'm your second madam. I can fire you, I can slap you, I can do anything. Okay? It's not because I'm here to talk with you and I'm misbehaving.
You do. I know say no go fire me. Me and you now 5 and 6. Now here we dey. We know they go anywhere, we mount. Men mount.
So that you go to know your levels, me and you talk.
Asa, please. We have fought Cindy, that's okay. Please. I don't want trouble.
So now the truth, you're calling the truth trouble. How is it trouble? You see one thing, you don't appreciate what I'm doing, no. Because you don't know what I'm doing for you. You see that Cindy of a girl, she's very evil. Like a very bad bitch. I swear to God.
Like
that girl.
Bitch.
You see you're just like all these blind people. You know bats. Bats, how they used to be blind in daylight. That's what you are.
Asa, don't insult me.
I'm not insulting you.
You have to keep quiet. Mind your business. You will continue shouting the truth. You will end up in the street. I know what I'm telling you. Stop fighting.
It's for your own good. I'm fighting for you, not like
Did I beg you? Ayomgi?
I appreciate somebody's efforts. No wahala. No baby, no problem.
Asa, listen. I know what I'm doing. You think I don't know what is going on in this house? I know everything. I know what I'm doing. So relax. Zuike.
Like you know everything that you...
Calm down. Relax here. I was not speedy. I know what I'm doing.
Now why are you not keeping quiet?
Asa. Zip one. Shut up your mouth. Is your mouth leaking? Are you serious? Papa, what do you mean by you have not seen Asa for some time now? No, she's not in my house. Maybe she went to the market. Are you sure you did not send her to the market? Papa, I'm not lying. I'm saying the truth. She's not with me. Ha! What do you mean by you would disown me if you get to find out that she's here? Papa, please, oh, don't angry the gods. She's not here. She's not here, Papa, please. She's not here. She's not in my house. You can go and look for her somewhere else. Can you imagine? Hi, this man. I should tell you that she's here so that you come and take her to one of those useless old men. Hi. It's not possible. I cannot even tell you anything.
The partner said that your brief is a garbage. They're threatening to fire you. What happened?
How can I focus? I can't focus. That dwarf, she called me a home wrecker.
And you allow that to affect your place of work? Huh? Why? Why can't you just get focused and get your job done and ignore what she said to you?
It's difficult. She said hurtful things to me. And again, she's turning Amarachi against me. You have to talk to Amarachi. They need to caution Asa.
Listen, what you're saying doesn't make any sense to me. The bottom line here is that you need to get focused on your place of work. Get concentrated. If you don't do it, trust me, I will personally fire you.
You will fire me? You do not care about me? You're not even listening to what I'm saying. She said hurtful things to me, hateful words. She called me names. Gosh, I was depressed. Talk to her. If you do not talk to her, I will make her disappear.
Sandy, you're getting used to this. This is not the first job I'm getting for you. The first job I got for you, you did the same thing. Second, same thing. Third time, the same thing. Why will you keep repeating this? Why can't you just get serious with your work?
It's not my fault. I'm depressed. I'm depressed.
Is it that serious?
Yes. It's serious.
Is it sweet?
Why?
Let me try it. Asa, it's nice, oh. Emeka!
Madam.
What see is at the gate?
So disrespectful. Why will you answer you? Madam.
I'm his madam now.
You're supposed to say ma. See, everybody just put down one.
Asa, please. Rest. My husband. Why is it back so early?
My car got spoiled on the way, so I practiced after my mechanic carried to the mechanic workshop, but that is not why I am here. You have to warn this your sister.
What happened?
Warn her to stay clear from me. Tell her to stay clear, else I'll push her into the gutter.
My husband, please just calm down. She's just being protective. That's all.
Being protective?
Yes.
Protective of who?
Me.
I'll give her 3 days. Or rather, give you 3 days to get her a job. If you do not get her a job within 3 days, I will send her back to the village. You won't like what happens.
Okay, fine. Don't worry. I will get it. Just give us time. I'll get a job.
What will you do? Eh? You answer your stupid bestie to come after me. I want to.
As I am little cockroach. Trust me, I will crush you in this house. One man.
Yes? What is even your problem? Why can't you just keep quiet?
I'm just looking at you like this. Let me just be looking at you. People should just be doing what is in your mind. Especially you. Me, I just feel like they're using charm to close your eyes and you're not seeing. You need deliverance. I swear to God. You need better deliverance. Don't worry. My husband. It's me and you that will just out of this house. Trust me. Me and you. Because the next step I will take is going to be hilarious. What's the not passing here now?
Something must happen here. I'm sure of that. Hey. Hi, Cindy. Good afternoon. Hi. Oh. Wait, I don't understand. What are you guys watching? This is old-fashioned. We need something classy and catchy.
Why did you change it now? It's not that we were here before you came. You don't have home training. Did not train you well.
Excuse you?
Excuse you who? Are you talking to me like that? Are you okay?
You better watch your tongue. Watch your tongue or I'll cut it off for you.
Asa, that's enough. Please. She can watch whatever she wants to watch, okay? Don't worry, later we'll continue watching. Okay?
Did you hear that? I can watch whatever I want to watch. Finally, there's culture. There's respect. Acknowledgements. Things are finally going back to how it used to be.
Boy, carefully funky.
Jealousy. Amarachi, I'm feeling cold. Can you get me the man's jacket? The red one.
Okay, let me get it from the line.
Meaning what? If you are cold, why will you not wear this? You are almost half naked. So why will you wear it?
Better watch it.
Okay, don't point to me because look at that. So what you are wearing a shower? You know that we have man in this as husband. You want to enter his eyes?
Can you keep quiet? Please. Stop it. This is how city girls dress.
Okay. Okay, you are village girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry for that. Okay, let me get you the jacket.
The red one.
Okay.
The red one. I love that one so much because it's designer's jacket.
I got you. Okay.
Respect yourself.
Hey,
Respect yourself.
What is it?
I will punch you.
You want to speak inside my mouth? This was smelling mouth. You cannot even brush your teeth properly.
It's jealousy that is
not even
doing
bother
it.
buying perfume.
It's jealousy. Just look at how rumpled your shirt is because you are a pushy girl.
I'll never be jealous of you. What do you have? What do you have?
Let me just tell you. Be careful and be respectful. Else, I'll ask Damien to toss you out of this house like a trash.
You'll be singing chocolate and caramel.
Trash.
Chocolate and Fanta. Look at
Trash. You are trash. You come from the bush. That's where you belong. Just
get out.
How rumpled your shirts are. Rumpled village girl.
See you now.
You have demonic agents. Because you're demonic. That's why I'm actually keeping you quiet. Because I don't want to dent my hands.
Demonic.
Yeah.
You that is angel.
Yeah.
Coming to somebody's house to see husband.
Angel Cindy. That's a period. Jealousy.
You're demonic. Angelic. Angelic. The angel I know.
Yeah, I'm an angel. That's a period.
what to do. After that 5,000 you cannot pay it though. No, your fault. Nonsense. Nah, sister, you need to stop this from this show. I don't like it. You need to stop it. Why will you be serving your husband's best friend? Meaning what? Now who does that?
What is your problem? Eh?
What is that
your problem?
Go and keep this thing back.
Stop.
I don't like it.
Stop it. I don't like it. I've told you that my husband sees her as family, so it's nothing.
Sees her as family. Do you know that this lady there is your rival? Do you know? She's not. I don't know why you are so comfortable with her around. I don't like it. It's like, you know, they fight, they vex me. Move body, shake body, do something.
Why will I fight? Yeah? I cannot fight. She's my husband's best friend. He's BFF. Yes. Please. I don't want problem. Please, you should stop fighting her. Or else my husband will throw you out of this house.
You should try it. I swear, two of us will die. You should try it. Because now, if he throws me out of the house, he's just trying to say that, oh, that he wants to deal with you.
Asa, I don't want trouble, please. I'm telling you. Just let this lady be. Biko. Let's go. What are you doing with the remote?
I don't like that she will know what you're doing.
Hi. Jesus. So go and return the remote. Trouble later.
Oh, finally. It took someone so long to get just a jacket. Can you help me? Never mind. Yeah, oh my gosh. Beautiful, right? It suits me so well. So tell Damien I'm gonna keep it.
No, you cannot keep it, Cindy. I mean, that's my husband's favorite jacket.
And who am I? I'm his favorite friend. So I'm keeping it.
You know that you are too obsessed with this man. Why don't you just marry him? Be with him forever.
Will you just shut up?
Don't shut me up.
I will. Keep short.
But I will not keep short. Will you force me? But I hate.
Asa, you are one tantrum away from the street, so you have to respect yourself else.
Why don't you even have a boyfriend? Even ordinary rats get boyfriend. If they get mates, they get their mates. You are busy following married man.
Just shut up already!
Shut up your mouth and stop controlling me. I'm not a fool.
You see, she is insulting me in your presence and you're doing nothing.
Asa, stop.
Shut up already! You let this rat insult me. You let her disrespect me. After everything I've done for Damien.
I'm so sorry. Cindy, she didn't mean to.
She didn't mean to insult me, but she's insulting me. So this is how you pay me back. You have to apologize. Else, I'll tell Damien how you stole his whiskey.
Olodo. Angelina Babanina. Kataed. Opo. Alengoso.
Rubbish.
Sakon. Atenga.
Are you going with the jacket?
She looks fair, and I'll be the best man. Nonsense. Put my team in the watching something that's on. She will do.
Emeka!
say now you be my oga, special friend, I mean bestie in quote. You know supposed to hurry. And why is your face like this?
Do you think you're funny? Are you paid to crack jokes? Or you're paid to open the gates? Oh, you must think high of yourself. You're just a dog, a guard, and that is what you will remain. And if you don't take care, you might lose this job because I'll ask Damien to fire you.
I go tell my oga to sack me. Who will gonna insult you every morning? Tell me that one. Who will gonna insult you every morning? Because me I know say you dey insult.
Are you sick?
Huh?
Open the gates.
Ma?
Now! Fool! Idiot!
For years now. Please, let her be.
Wait. So you are even aware of it? BFF. That means they are boyfriend forever. And you are letting that one happen in this house. You are letting it happen. Now you are opening it to me. You are letting it happen in this house.
Asa, it is not boyfriend forever. It is best friend forever.
Who told you? They play.
Make I they play.
No, they play. They are using it to wash your brain. You are letting them do it. They are using best friend forever to whine you. You are letting them do it. And just the one yourself. You don't know what is in the front. I'm telling you something, you are doubting me. Okay, best friend forever, right? Go ask anybody in the streets. I thought you even know about all the streets. Go ask them the meaning of BF and they'll tell you that it's boyfriend forever.
It is not boyfriend forever, it is best friend forever.
Okay.
Are you not the one telling me what is going on in my house?
Okay.
Eh? What is all this now?
Best friend forever, that is wearing your husband's clothes. Okay, best friend does not know that, okay, we have limit to things, so I don't have to touch her husband's things. Let me just leave it to that best friend thing. Best friend forever does not know that should not eat together with your husband. They should leave husband and wife to eat together.
But they've been friends before my husband got married to you.
As he can't got married to you, now two of you don't go do things. Now the best friend go see you. He don't marry you to one place. You see go, as he can't got married to you. That best friend. She's snake in Ankara. Better fight her now. She's your enemy. Fight her now that is still early. If you like, you stay there. I did best friend. Yeah. Covering your head in your front like this. Your husband will propose to her. He will shock you. He will shock you. You go give her belly for your front. He will shock you. They play.
I don't understand. What do you mean by I should fight her?
I'm beginning to just act like coward. Like I'm just mad at you. I don't.
No, a coward.
I don't know you to be like this.
Yeah, so.
What is the problem? Why were you buzzing my phone non-stop? Why do you want to drain the battery of my phone?
It's your wife. Your wife and that dwarf. That demon. They called me a whore. A slut. A home wrecker. No, I won't take it. I won't be disrespected in my house.
Hello? Your house?
Yes.
No. Watch your tongue. This house is my house, not your house. In as much as what belongs to me belongs to you, but not this house. This house and everything in it belongs to me.
After everything, Damien, after everything I did for us, for you, gosh, that demonic agent, that dwarf, that monkey, she is poisoning your wife's mind against me. And you're saying nothing.
Cindy, how on earth will you convince me that that little girl has the capacity to poison the mind of an adult?
That is not all. Do you know she threatened to deal with me with Jojo? She threatened me to my face. Damien.
You know she can't do such thing, right? She's just a child.
Really? She looked me in my eyes and threatened me.
Sit. You see, you have to push those thoughts away from your mind. As far as I'm concerned, that little girl cannot do anything. Okay?
Damien, what has happened to you? My God. Ever since you got married, everything about you has changed. I am telling you that that girl threatened to deal with me with Jojo. And you're doing nothing. You are underrating her. Right? Damien. Bestie.
Explain everything now.
Amarachi. And this thing.
I'm not thin. Don't call me thin. I'm not thin.
That thing. They ganged up on me. They insulted me. She said she was going to slice me, butcher me, cut me. She said a lot of things to me.
All these things, I'm the one that said it, right? I'm going to butcher you, slice you, cut you, do this one, do that. In my presence or in my absence, I don't know when I said it though. But if you want me to still do it, I don't mind though, I can still cut you.
That's enough. My husband, please, don't mind Cindy. Everything she said here are all lies.
Mama, why are you lying? I know she's your sister, but you have to be truthful.
The fact that you even brought her own husband to come and question her. Like, what guts do you have? And you even brought her husband to question her, you're asking like Jab and Neko, right? What am I even waiting for? Everybody go collect now. Everybody go collect now. Oh, get prepared. Now my castle go do. I told you she's the mom because I told you. What are you doing?
I told you she's the mom. I told you. You wouldn't listen to me.
Stop that. Keep that thing down.
Are you okay? I told you she's demonic. I told you.
Leave me. You have to leave now. This minute.
Damien, are you choosing them over me?
I said leave. Right now.
Yeah, mama. 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 You're free. Go and sin no more. You're free. Everything is out of you.
What's this?
Go and meet your husband. It is clear you are settled. Meet your husband. Go and meet your husband.
Amarachi, you have to control your sister now.
Asa, drop that thing. I don't know where you got it from, but please just drop it. What is this?
Oh, direct go to me heart. I want to go on inside. Oh.
Emeka, you need to call the police. Yo, that Archie, she threatened to kill me. She said she's going to murder me. Why the police? Where is your phone?
Wow. Ochen. Just Ochen. How? I think them plenty. Why you behave like this, Auntie Cindy? Eh? Why you behave like small picking whenever you reach on me? Now you fear. If not me, that's what you gonna do. Fear.
Will you just call them?
See him now.
Emeka, you have to call the police. If you don't do anything, this girl is going to burn this place down. She is mentally unstable. Get your phone, yes.
Wow. Mentally unstable. Hello?
That's not how to use it.
Okay.
You're not even dialing any number.
Oh! Is it 419?
No, please.
Oh, please. Please.
Yes.
All right. Please, oh, Auntie Cindy, is that small picking one more than but now come with bomb, mister. Even now.
Are you stupid? Huh? Are you okay?
I call them in the gun.
You know what? I will get you fired. Yes, you will lose your job. I will tell Damien that you are a thief, a kidnapper, a drunk. You don't do your job well. Yes, and he will fire you.
He not go fire me. He not go fire me. He can't believe you. You, when we say you do like this, my oga go come believe you. Leave CEO of this gate. Person when we say now they open and close gates. See this up. So, police for where we stop. Now so he got there said as well picking. Whenever it's in need.
You will regret this. This is an assurance. I'm not even wasting my time with you. Excuse me.
Electric fish. See this one. In fact, I'm not gonna blame you. I'm not gonna blame you. Now because of say poverty, don't look my family. Eyeball to eyeball, come on God. Punch my papa, tell us if you reach, I go kill you. I make you come see me forget. They insult me. Mecca, call the police. Call the thunder. Fire you.
Asa, you brought a charm into my house. What for?
That one no be charm. That one is not charm. That thing is mango hunting. Is that your best? You're supposed to be blaming you. That nonsense Cindy. And jumping up and down like Osa.
My husband, please, I'm sorry. She didn't mean to.
She didn't mean to?
Yes.
Did you hear what she said? That thing she brought, that charm, is for mango hunting. How do you explain that? Oh, this is your plan, right? To destroy me in my own house.
Who is destroying you, Oga? You have destroyed your life by yourself for yourself if you don't know. And you are trying to destroy my own sister's life. And I will not allow that to happen.
Stay with me in my house. And
I'm sorry, I'll fix this.
It's invested to why not?
Sorry, my husband. I'll fix it.
Is that you will stay here, but still will take your position.
Do you realize you're talking to my husband like that?
Which husband? Okay, like this that you think you are married. You think you have husband. I think that you are single. You are single. That one is not husband, it's also band. Like all these equa people. Now what do you be?
Yes, I'm tired of you.
You are allowing bestie. Bestie, what kind of bestie will be in stairs with wife? Oh? Bestie no go recognize wife. Bestie does not know the limits. Okay. One day the chat go leak. You go know what they saw.
I'm sorry. I have taken that rubbish from her. I've discarded it. I'm sorry. Please, I've also emptied her bag. There's nothing there again. Please.
What kind of embarrassment is that?
I'm sorry. I promise this will not happen again. I promise you.
Coming into my house with a charm. How do you explain that?
My husband, that thing is not a charm. Oh. It's not that serious. I promise you. She's just using it to, I don't know, to scare, I don't know, to scare Cindy. It's not that serious. I promise you. Please, don't worry. I have applied for a job on her behalf. Very soon she will start leaving the house. Okay? I promise you.
Did I hear you say very soon?
Yes.
And I've heard that uncountable times from you. So how do you expect me to believe you? And how soon? And who is lying at this point in time? Is it you or her?
Nobody is lying here, my husband. Please try and understand me. Because, before my mother died, she asked me to take care of her, and she's my only sister. That's why I'm trying. Please.
And your mother is not living here with me. I'll give you 24 hours. 24 hours to discharge that girl from my house. Else, I'll get the police to get her arrested. No more what?
OBIO. I know that now you fit do this kind of thing. I know. Now you fit do this kind of thing.
This thing what you do now, that's why that stupid girl used to insult you every time. Because every day you are sleeping. Okay, let me ask you. Apart from sleeping, what is your hobby?
To rest.
Apart from sleeping and resting, what else is your hobby?
To eat.
Apart from sleeping, resting and chopping, what else is your hobby?
To rest again.
Food.
Ah. What are you going to do here? What is this for? Oga don't blow final whistle. Early morning, early pipe. First thing in the morning, you dey molo. Now your village, they go so.
I know you are missing me already.
Me?
Don't worry, I will not go. I promise you. Don't miss me again. My sister will beg. I'll tell my sister. She will beg Damian. Who is Damian? Who is he? My sister will beg me.
I got shift me. I think say you won't get plan. Okay, Damian. You go beg him. For which country? How is it this testament or the Old Testament? I be new one. The one we won't come. Okay, Damian a person will be say in heart and stone they get something in common. That is why sometimes if you do miss a touch of Ghana, you go to sound kind.
And me too, I have stone heart. I'm a strong-hearted person.
You get heart?
At the Ekwekwe too.
Yeah.
So if Ekwekwe and Ekwekwe meet, you know what you go be?
What you go be?
Kwechiri. Ekwekwe kwechiri.
Ekwekwe. The Kuchi.
He go long.
He go tight.
So my brother, why you never want to marry now? Why don't you want to marry? Is it that you don't have money to marry? Or you cannot impregnate the woman? Or they curse you? Or like what's going on with your life?
Or like you be my mama now. Or they ask you up again for grandchildren now. You ask me I never marry. As what?
Yeah, because you're old enough to be mama, to be papa.
Now you born me, you know my age?
Papa Ejima. Why I don't know your age? You don't reach, as long as say you don't come up for house, you also for yourself. You don't reach to marry. You don't do a great man. With your big beer. You don't reach to marry now. Papa Ejima. Abia. Hey, I just say you never even marry. You go this country. Because all these gates, man, now which one are they do? You go these states. Sokoto. Marry one for Sokoto. Pregnant and go born for you. You catch you go vermouth. Enter Benin. Marry one there. Pregnant one. Go vermouth. Go Imo. Marry one pregnant. That's why you go to move up and down.
Nah, for my body they get power.
Until you pregnant or you get children for all the states in this country.
Thank you. Hey, now because of saying I mean, because I get man, I know I get talk. Two-Face, are you Two-Face? We do not talk.
No, Two-Face not the same. No, Two-Face. How much you get?
You're not bad money.
No, you get money.
You know if the well,
you get money.
I will get there.
Mugu. Want to compare yourself?
I will get there.
Okay, because you tell you say King Solomon do. You have what King Solomon do? You have what you have. You can make noodles and eat.
Okay, you want to make noodles? Asa. And I don't say you go give me. Hello. Blow again now.
What is your problem? You don't want to open the gate for me?
Oh, now you dey blow.
If you like, don't get it.
If you swallow this gate, you don't know. How about this one? You do like tennis. Why your body to do like say you be maggot? They jump in from one place to another.
Do you have a problem with me?
Do you have a problem with me?
Are you mad? Are you sick? Why did you refuse to open the gates? Tell me! Oh! You think I do not see the way you look at me? You always flirt with me behind my back. So because you can't have me, now you want to stress me. I won't give you that room.
Yeah, you can't have it.
Shut up! Now tell me, why did you refuse to open the gates? Are you mad? Are you mad? Take a good look at me. Are we of the same class? Now listen and listen good. Should this repeat itself again, trust me, you will lose your job. You will go hungry. You will go back to the streets where you belong.
Thank you.
Idiots.
Mr. President.
Will you shut up? When I talk, don't talk. Fool. Idiots. Nikompu.
I could blame you. I don't feel blame you. Nothing for this word feel make me blame you. If I touch you now, they go tell us I don't touch you, man. Every time your body gonna do you like say a woman, what they say, you know, see your boyfriend during ovulation. Body gonna do you fire. One day you go see that thing where you fire. Say that me, they learn how to slap. Now me, they learn how to smart pa. They use me they play, learn how to play tennis. You know go better for you.
The gate man is so stupid. He is so annoying. Do you know what he did? He's flirting with me again. This is no longer funny. You have to do something.
Emeka, flirt with you?
Yes.
This is like a god asking the most beautiful girl out.
You must think this is funny. It is not.
It is.
Can you just stop? This guy insults me. He flirts with me. He is dangerous. Who knows?
Drag you to the bush?
Yes, he might.
Come on. He's harmless.
Gosh.
Emeka cannot do that. Huh? You're scared of everything. Even my little sister-in-law, you're scared of her.
Talking about that. This is not a joke. That little dwarf and her sister, they are poisoning your mind against me. And now, Emeka, Damian.
Cindy, I think you're hungry. Go to the kitchen and dish food for yourself, okay?
So that is all you have to say?
That is what it is.
Trust me, you will regret this.
You get stroke? Why you do like?
No, now what tribal song. Now they blow for flute.
Okay, child. You want to practice how to sing your heartbreak song, breakfast song. Child, I understand, my brother. In life, everything must not go so wara wara. If they practice how to sing, I'll be better on my own. I'll be better on my own. Yeah. Nobody should call my phone. Nobody should call my phone. Yeah. This is my last heartbreak song. This is my last heartbreak song. Child.
They carry me, they go.
Don't worry, my brother. It is well. But now you be the fool here, because tell me why get man, as person a get man you be, you dey hope, they carry your hope, they go high. You leave your level, your class of women where you supposed go follow, you go they follow you know say her taste they high, her taste now 100 times what you they even think for this life. So why you go one make she fall for you? You know say now you they fuck up. This heartbreak you go loud. No vex, yeah?
Don't begin the wine man.
You know they say now you find your trouble. They say cut your coat according to your size.
You we won't so agbada we anko.
They go show my size now.
You get size for agbada?
See you.
You get size?
See you. I get size. They go measure me so my clothes. Me and you know they do the same thing, you know. Me and you would not do the same thing. I'm bigger than you. Forget that I'm in this house with you. Me, I have taste too. Okay? Don't do that shit with me. Bro. Well, level up. Well, sorry for the heartbreak. It will be well soon. Just hope and pray that God will visit you. Yeah? Hanging your back where your hand not reach.
You're embarrassment with this one. You from house, where shoe left leg. From house they come out. Are you okay?
This is the way I'm.
Okay, so.
Like this now.
You can't confuse us. So you don't supposed to carry the other leg for this one. You're supposed to turn them.
Now so you be there, now not be confused me.
Not be like that.
Now
like two of them like this. The other one now looks this side. So if you turn this one and put for his one, you go this one go.
No, I do before that. See man. No be like this. Now like if you put them like this, now you go come be left and right. You know, see, you can put them on make it stand. See now.
Monkey the job now because of 3 near 3. It isn't get sense. See as you tell you, now I don't put it for mad people condition now.
Okay, you be the one.
See, I don't put it for mad people condition now. See your life.
Why me? No, you been the wine me.
No, go there, they talk to your mate, idiot.
They want me.
You want fight? Okay, you want fight? No, wait, make a day ready. Make a day ready first. Just wait. Oh yeah, wait. No, okay. If you hit me anywhere, don't hit me for eye. You see eye?
Come on, for your belly now. Your belly I want boss.
Make a stand up now.
Come on now. Oh yeah, stand. Make a boss.
You want fight? You want?
Stand now. Stand. Don't waste my time. You are cooking for her again. Keep cooking for her, let them be using you as maid.
Asa, don't start. Please. Don't start. What is this now?
I don't understand this thing that you are doing in this. I don't like the way they are taking you as maid and you are not doing anything about it. It's not good. If I'm the one that I would have used broom to sweep out of this house.
Asa, if you ever fight Cindy again in this house, my husband will throw you out of this house.
You should try it. I will make sure I make that harlot, that Akona, regret ever stepping into this compound. She's mad.
Jesus, this girl. Asa, I told you something before. I said I know what I'm doing. Let it be. I know what I'm doing.
At this point, I don't think you know what you are doing. Because if you know what you are doing, you should have reacted since. Because do you know what these people are doing in this house?
Asa, I am seeing everything and I said I know what I'm doing.
My sister, maybe that covered your eyes. You might be seeing them, but you don't know what they're doing. Don't worry. I'm the one that will tell you what they're doing.
I don't want to argue with you.
Just come to the house and be.
Asa, one more word from you, I will twist your mouth. What is your problem? Must you say everything? Let me hear your voice again. You want to tell me how to run my marriage? I don't blame you. When you get your husband's house, then you decide how to live there. Don't come here and tell me how to live in my husband's house. Are you okay? Nkegi?
It's okay already.
Yeah.
It's fine this way. Oh. Oh, I want to use a fork. Thank you. Here.
Come on. Stop now.
Cindy, here is your food.
How sweet of you. Well, anyway, I've eaten from dinner's special dish, and I'm okay with this.
You mean you've been eating from my husband's food?
Yes, she did. She earned it. She did so well at work today.
Nice. You both are so funny. Like, it's jesters and high court. Correct? Yes.
Jesters. Or you mean partners? Are you in any way calling us clowns? Maybe she's the clown.
No, I mean, you both are partners, business partners, a good one at that.
We are more than partners, honey. We are BFF. Best friends forever.
Oh yeah.
That's a period.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Have inside.
All right.
What? You're serious. You're crazy. I thought I was doing it all.
Here again. Child, the more that they think about your life. They are thinking about your life. How sad and how everything is going. Child, don't worry, God will help you. And now, there's no partner to relate with. There's nobody here you can say, oh, my wife, see what happened though. Child, I feel your pain. Like, I feel your pain very, very well. Child. If not than me, something... I don't like to, I first let me manage you. Like, let me just manage you. Because I'm me. I'm the kind of person that I have taste. Me like this. I don't be anyhow person. I get my own taste. I get my own spec. And I'm not classless. I have taste. Do you understand? If not for that, I would have said, let me just try and manage you. But because of what? But or do you want?
Amadio, hi.
Why you calling Amadio? Is it like Amadio? You're calling me Amadio, or you're calling Amadio on behalf for what I said?
You don't take your drugs this afternoon.
Which drugs? They give me any drug.
What's the matter with you?
Shut up your mind. Is it because I'm trying to...
I don't understand. How?
How now?
Like, I don't understand.
I say I would have.
Look, I know. I want to understand. What are you? What did they talk about?
Me that say me I have class.
How? I know.
How? God forbid. How can I be with somebody like you?
God forbid.
God forbid. 10,000 times.
God forbid.
I cannot stoop so low to do that.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
Hell no. What the heck is that nonsense shit, bro?
You said shit, bro.
I can't do it.
You mean something not to do?
Look at you. Somebody like this. Somebody like you like this. Now me I will not come and be God forbid.
God forbid.
My teacher husband would not say what?
Like I don't understand. God forbid. God forbid. See person. If you say na radio, you be na Twitter. You no get bars. Idiot. Like if I knock you. Forget to knock you before you go. Idiot.
Papa, she's not here. Maybe she's in Abuja. Papa, I'll call you back later, okay? Please try and look for her very well, please. You know she's my only sister. Alright, I'll call you back later.
Why did you tell me about Abuja? You're supposed to say America so that if you know it's my...
Shut up your mouth. Who dash monkey banana? America. Do you even have passports? Or did you fly to America?
This is the confusion there. You need to put confusion in your enemy's life.
Which confusion? That's in a... Eh? Look at what you're thinking in your head. America. You want to go to America.
Sister, how did you do this?
Do what?
That level.
No, I've not passed that level. When you find a man that will marry you, make sure say you tell me. So that I will torture him.
No, like torture me. You know I can tell him to. Give me, if you don't give me this one, you will not marry my sister.
It's the same thing. I will still tell him, if you don't give me this one, you will not marry my sister. Yes, now. So please, don't forget. I'm always available. Yeah?
I'm not doing.
You will do.
Hey, bestie. Damien, it's gym time. Jogging time, workout time. Bestie, wake up!
What's that now? You again? What's going on now? What's wrong with you? What are you doing? You don't have house, you don't sleep.
Here to see my bestie. Call him for me. Tell him it's workout time. It's jogging time. Gym time. Call him for me.
It's gym time. That's why you're wearing pants and bra. And you're wearing makeup.
It's gym wear.
Gym wear.
Go call him. You know, this is what we do all the time. It's a routine. You know?
What's your bubble? I've looked at from head to toe. Nothing come out.
What does that mean?
You are.
Well, just call him for me. We have to go. I don't have time for you.
Yeah, come and say that. Come and leave.
Are you sick? What is this I'm doing? Hey, Bessie!
Mayam!
What's this?
The village of Buwan.
Help! Damien! Bessie, help! Help! What's this? Help! Help, Bessie! Bessie! Oh my gosh!
What's going on?
What's going on?
She's demonic! God, she's evil!
What's going on?
What's happening?
What's the matter? What's going on?
What is it? What is it again?
What is it?
What is what? Are you for real? Pretend that is what you are.
Asa, what happened?
She was just assaulting me.
Yeah.
She has charm. She has juju.
Juju?
What is it?
I think at this point she's hallucinating.
Bring it out.
See, she wants to naked me. You are the one assaulting me. Now I'm not wearing anything. You want to naked me? Ha.
Sir? Apologize to her now.
I'm not doing anything, no.
I deserve an apology. Bestie, do you know she even called me Mwachi Obubo? Yes. What does it mean?
Mwachi Obubo means that you're a strong woman.
No, I refuse to accept it. The way she said it, it means something evil, something bad, something not acceptable.
Asa? What is the meaning of that?
It's strong now. That's what she said. Mwachi Obubo is strong. Why I kept my face, that's why I said it like that, is because it means strong. So if I'm saying it, I need to say it like strong. And it means if I call you Mwachi Obubo, you are strongly coming here. Mwachi Obubo coming here, like Mwachi Obubo, you are strongly coming here. That's the meaning.
A pretender.
Bessie. Let's go.
Sorry.
I don't like this. Seriously, I don't.
I don't like this. I don't like
you.
To be seen. To go to a room, don't worry. Let me go to my room. Don't go to a room. Take this, Danny. Let peace reign. I like peace too much. Let peace reign.
Devil.
Let peace reign.
Try it.
Let peace reign.
Try it.
I'm coming for you.
Devils incarnate. Demonic agents.
One J. Let me tell you. Watch out what means for one J. You are one J. Mommy. Okay.
You are the Obanje.
You are the
devil. You are the ghost. You are lucky to not touch me. Idiot. Just come now. Come.
Mommy, what?
Go!
You to go!
Village girl.
You to
dirty girl. Illiterate.
Go!
Illiterate. Wife. Satan. Witch. You are lucky to not touch me. Try it again.
I'll catch you. Are you going to catch me? How? How?
Yes, how? Just think about catching it.
Did you see the look on her face?
Yes, ma'am.
For once, we just made her look like a fool.
See, this is what she was even that young.
Yeah, I was sure that they didn't even know the meaning of that.
Me too, as you said that strong, I said, just look.
Hi. Well, Asa, what if he gets angry again?
Hey, she's not angry.
You know he doesn't like it when you upset Cindy.
He should get angry. You're not killing anybody.
Asa, but you are very annoying. Like, what do you mean by it means you're strongly coming here? You're strongly coming here. What is that one?
Strongly, you are strongly. See, me.
And they believe those. Asa, please, don't look for trouble again.
Amarachi.
My husband.
What was the meaning of that word? Oh, wow. The word that Asa used downstairs.
Mwachi Obubo.
Yes. What was that?
It's not something serious, like I said. It means that she was only trying to say that Cindy is a strong woman. Yes.
Strong woman.
Mm-hmm.
Why am I not convinced of this word? Are you lying to me?
No, my husband, I'm not lying to you. I'm being serious here. It means that Cindy does strong things. Yes, that's what it means.
You have to warn your sister. There are things I will not tolerate in my house. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my husband. Asa will not put me in trouble in this house. And you even believed me. They play. Hey.
Cindy, what? Just stop. What was the meaning of that? That drama that you just pulled up there. What was the meaning of that?
Damien, I told you. That dwarf, that sure thing, that demonic agent, she is poisoning your wife's mind against you and I.
Oh. Cindy, since when did you care so much about my marriage? Or is this because of your bruised ego?
No, it has nothing to do with my ego. That girl is just so evil. But you're not seeing it. Your very quiet wife, submissive. She doesn't talk when you talk, right? But now what is happening? Tell me, did she support you today? She stood by Asa, her sister. Someday, she might ask you to sleep on the floor while she sleeps on the bed. You have to do something.
You know, Amarachi knows her place. And I advise you to know your place as well.
Her place? Do you think she's going to remain your timid, village, local, quiet wife? Just give her an inch. Trust me, she will take your empire. You have to do something. The earlier the better.
Cindy, be very careful, okay? I'll be quick to remind you that you are useful, but not irreplaceable. Get that. Enjoy your gym, Cindy.
Damien, you will replace me, your bestie. He has changed a lot. I don't feel like gymming anymore, but I have to look fit.
Amarachi, are you okay? Why are you looking this mood here? Are you okay?
How do you expect me to be fine when you and your so-called BFF is making this house unbearable for me? Why do you allow her caress you in my presence and you stand there doing nothing about it? Instead, you guys will just laugh over it as if it's nothing. Why?
Amarachi, Cindy is just my best friend, like you said. My BFF. You are my wife. So stop comparing, okay?
So I'm your wife. Am I really your wife or a decoration? Because I don't understand this kind of marriage. You bring in another woman in this house. She wears your clothes, eats your food. You guys always act as if there is something between you both. And then I'm here serving her as if I'm a maid. Are you really okay with this?
Listen, I don't know what you're driving at, but I just want you to know that you are the woman that I married. You're my wife.
Am I really the woman that you married, or I'm just a maid in this house?
Come on. Is that how you feel, or as I made you feel that way?
That is how you make me feel. In fact, that is how you and your so-called BFF makes me feel all the time.
Alright. I'm sorry about that. Come here, let me make you feel like the woman I got married to, okay?
I'm not in that mood. Don't worry. I'm fine. I'm not in the mood. Please don't touch me.
Why are you making me feel bad?
I said I'm not in the mood. Please. No. Sis, what is this? Food. Food. No taste? No salt? Is this what you've been eating? Gosh.
Cindy. Huh? Why do you like complaining?
It's tasteless.
It's food. It's tasty.
No, I can't eat it anymore.
Cindy, what is your problem? No, tell me, what is your problem? Must you complain of everything I do in this house? Is this your house?
Are you sure?
This is my husband's house. You don't tell me what to do.
In fact, it's not even your house. It's not even
I don't understand.
Every time you're putting mouth what does not concern you.
Because I've been keeping you quiet. What is wrong with this food? What is wrong? My husband did not complain. My son did not complain. It is you. What is it?
If you don't like it, go to the kitchen and make something for yourself.
Simple.
You want to fight me?
Shut up! Every time you'll be talking down on me, talking down on the things I do. Stop that nonsense. Let's stop it. Enough, oh, enough. Rubbish. You can enjoy the food alone. I'm no longer nonsense.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Let's see. 2 against 1. The food is not nice. I don't want to eat it anymore.
But the food is actually nice.
It's your taste bud. It's bad. It's awful.
You know that is bad. The taste bud is bad. Very, very bad.
Bestie. I want something else.
You don't start eating. Somebody starts every day. Your wife is in the kitchen. Maybe she's crying. You never know. Let me tell you.
Bestie. I want something different.
Are you okay? You demonic agent. What is the meaning of this? Don't try it again. I am warning you. Don't try it again. What is this?
I know they find you since. Them say in the kitchen, but I didn't want to pass that front because my in-law is there.
What do you want me to do for you?
What I want to do is that avoid my sister's husband. Avoid this. Get away from this home. Leave this home, you demonic agent. Leave them to enjoy their marriage.
I see that it is paining you. It is paining you that you do not have bestie like I do.
Jezebel.
Now let me warn you. You better start packing your things. Pack your village stuffs and leave this house. Yes, this house was peaceful until you came in here.
Now leave. Let's bet that you leave. You stop coming to this house. Just bet it.
You bet it.
No, just bet.
By the time I'm done dealing with you, you will crawl back to that pit hole you came from.
Bet now. If bet. Good. If I win, if you win, I will stop coming. I will go. But if I win, you will leave and never return.
Even though you win, I will still look for a way to bundle you out of this house.
Good. This is the only thing I want you to do.
Rubbish.
Where is my
devil? Don't try it.
You're reading the comments.
Yeah, the comment section. Very when I said
Yeah, sorry.
what they wrote.
the devil? Don't call me. Because
What devil?
Hey, bestie.
Bestie.
Look at you.
Hi, bestie.
BFA. Hey, come on.
Okay.
Look at you.
Hello, come on, move away. You know that they're having good time together as husband and wife. You want to stand on my sister? Eh? You want to sit or you want to drag out of her husband's body? And you two want to stand up and go and meet her. People should stop doing that thing now. It's not good now. It's not good. It's very bad. Look at your wife is on your body. You want to take her out just because of somebody you call your bestie.
What's your problem? You're too loud.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Bestie.
I want to ask for something. Our light is faulty and my solar batteries are weak. So I don't know if I can, stay here for the weekend. It's so hot in that apartment. I can't deal. Can I?
Just a weekend, right?
Yes, for the weekend.
How's that you done? It's no big deal.
It's a big deal. Because you already came with your bag and you're taking permission. What do you now want him to say? Why will you even pack why will you come here with your box? This is a married man's house.
Please, why are you in this house?
Why are you in this house too?
Asa, that's enough. Cindy, you said just for the weekend, right?
Oh, yes.
It's fine, no problem. Like my husband said, you can stay.
Okay, but if you actually want me to stay more, I could do that,
Just for the weekend.
Okay, it's fine. Finally, we're going to stay on the same roof again, after a long time. We have a lot catching up to do.
Oh yeah, how has it been?
Oh.
Flexing? Enjoyment? Cruising?
Yeah, and about my relationship status as well.
Yeah, very important.
Actually, we see something on your phone.
Yes.
Okay, can you get me water?
What? Come on. Hold your hands on my body. Hold the fire you there.
Look at what Asa and her sister want to deprive me from. I'm married a very rich man. But she will not allow me to enjoy. Life is good though. But that is when you have money. My in-law. Sit down. My in-law. Welcome. Welcome. I gave you money to go to the city and get my wife for me. Where is Asa? It's true you gave me money. I went to the city. Search every nook and cranny of the city. I couldn't find Asa. How did you know where that girl hid herself? Huh? I don't know. Asa, this is 2 weeks. 2 weeks that I gave you money to go to the city and get my wife. And you are here enjoying yourself. Okay? Well, I told you I tried. I went searching for her. I couldn't find her. Pasa. The next time I come here, I don't see my wife. I will come with the police, not with the elders anymore. I will arrest you and take you to the police cell and you'll be eating your chicken and malt in the police cell. It hasn't come to that, Chief. They just give me time this time around. I will search everywhere in that city. I must bring her back to you. Asa, I am giving you the last warning. If by the time I come back here and I don't see my wife, you will not like what you will see. It's also, I will try. I will bring her. Huh? Hey, Asa will kill me. Huh? Asa will kill me. Huh? What is all these things? Hey.
Take.
What is she even still doing here? And why is she putting on your husband's clothes? I don't understand.
Asa, please don't start. Please.
Nah, I don't like this thing you are doing. I don't like it. Somebody's wearing your husband's clothes. Have you ever...
Oh, I am still here. So if you want to talk to me directly. Don't go through corners.
Are you okay?
Oh, is she okay?
Her evil spirit wanted to enter my chest. And I coughed it out. Because I don't want to be possessed by the one spirit in her.
Amarachi, you have to talk to your sister.
God, shut up your mouth. Everything about you is black. That's why you are wearing black cotton on top of your dark color.
Tell her to be respectful. You know, Damien wouldn't want such...
She's wearing your clothes.
It's not like that. Just that she's not really feeling comfortable with what she was wearing.
My husband, is she spending another night here? Again?
She cannot do it now. She tried to me. I'll pour the pencil, her makeup things. Even her bra. Her cream, everything.
You dare not. This is how they treat me when you're not around. They insult me, harass me, assault me. Gosh.
It's okay. I am here now.
Thank you, Bessie.
Look at what she's doing to your husband. She's touching your husband, massaging your husband. You go and sit with your husband.
Bestie, I want that orange.
She can have it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Come and take, let me see you.
I don't want it anymore. I don't want to be poisoned, you know. It's dirty.
I don't want to be poisoned.
Asa, stop.
Bessie, this is what they do to me. No. You have to do something.
It's okay. Okay.
This is the way she's touching your husband now. She's massaging your husband. You can touch your husband. I don't like this. It's irritating me. It's irritating me. This man is just move. Sorry, but nah, it's irritating me.
Asa, can you calm down?
I want us to talk, man to man, one-on-one. Let's discuss.
You want us to talk, man to man? Where's the man? Hello, man. Where's the man?
Who's playing with you? No, do I look like a joke to you? You think I'm here to joke with you? Now you know how serious I am. Now look at me. I want to talk to you. You see, in this house, this thing you are doing in this house, you have to be very careful. It's high time you stopped it. What kind of nonsense is that every time you are bringing sin into this house in the name of boyfriend? What's that one? What's the pretense for?
What did you just say?
What did I just say? Think I don't know. Every time, BFF, BFF. I know the meaning of BFF. You know not stop the wine us. BFF means boyfriend forever. Yeah, maybe you are whining my sister because you have looked at her, you are not seeing that, oh, she's a village girl that does not know anything. Me, I'll be street girl. I get street credibility. I know street things. You cannot whine my brain.
Asa,
you understand?
Asa, if you do not know the meaning of something, ask, and so I can educate you. I do not want you to say one more word here.
Why would I ask you? So that you whine my brain again like you used to do to my sister. BFF means boyfriend forever. And you have to stop bringing that Cindy to this house as your BFF. If you want to do best friend things, then she should know her limits.
Asa, shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
I'm just warning you. It's not like I'm saying, if you don't like my sister again, fine and go. Tell her.
This is my house, Asa.
Then let my sister go back if you don't like her again.
For the fact that I allow you to stay with me because of your sister does not give you that leverage to talk to me the way you want. Stop that! Stop disrespecting me!
No, why you are disrespecting my sister is not okay. I'm not even here to that way. I'm here to warn you.
Foolish girl.
Respect yourself.
But you shall be fable, okay?
Asa, what is it again? What is it?
I talked to your husband.
You talked to my husband? Concerning what?
I told him I don't like the way he's bringing that Cindy to this house. It's becoming too much. I don't like it.
Jesus, Asa, you did what? Asa, what is your problem? Eh? Did I send you?
You don't even need to send me. I'll do the right thing. You don't need to send me.
Asa, I have told you to. Let this be. I know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're doing. You are here doing mommy and daddy. While another woman is doing bestie with yours, but you don't know what you're doing.
Hey.
You don't know what you are doing.
Asa, I know what I'm doing. Can you just stop? Just stop, please.
No, I will not stop you. I cannot just sit down, fold my hands and watch these people dance leg walk on Makosa on your head. I cannot do it. This is beginning to irritate me. Like, what the hell? I don't understand.
You're not kidding me. Asa, please, can you just leave my marriage alone? Please.
See, I'm beginning to suggest you go for deliverance, so. Because it's becoming too much.
If I forget my hand on your face. Did I tell you I'm possessed?
Who that I possessed?
Shut up your mouth. You will soon get married now. You will soon get married. Let me see how you run your home.
You know I cannot tolerate rubbish. Yes, I will leave. No man can stay like a step on my head that they don't board their way. I swear, they don't board their way. If you're not ready for it, you move away. Me, I'll move away. Nobody can try nonsense with me. See me, me, I'm spec, I'm spec. And you see, you are still 5 finish. You are scared that somebody will not marry you outside if you go outside. As I am here like this, I believe in myself that I am better spec. Like if you leave me, I will vomit you out of my life. What the hell? What the hell?
You said you are a spec.
Yes, ma'am. Full package.
Full package. Wife material 1 million yards. I can see that. No man will play with you, right?
Bestie, you look worried. What bothers you?
Asa's father. He has been calling me non-stop. He's demanding that I bring Asa home. Oh. But Amarachi refused. So the whole thing is putting me in a very tight situation.
You don't have to let him take Asa. Please do not let him. You have to try everything within your power to stop. That man just wants to be in control of everything. Please. Asa has to be with her sister. Okay?
Hello?
Hi.
You defending Asa?
Right. Sounds weird. But come on, people change. I believe she will, you know. I just want us to live in one pace, one family, with love, you know. I know she will change. I believe she will. Please, can I make a call with your phone? Short of airtime in my...
Don't worry, you don't need to explain further. But please, don't waste my airtime, okay?
Sure. Hello. Okay. Sure. Okay, I just wanted to let you know. Bye. Yeah, you're a lifesaver. Yeah, thank you.
Fastest call ever.
And you are a lifesaver.
Alright. So, let me drop you off.
Okay.
What are you watching?
I'm watching film.
You're enjoying it. Asa, I actually want to talk to you about something.
About what? I'm not doing anything this time around. I'll not break any plate though.
Relax now. Nobody broke plates. Please. You're very funny. The thing is that I want to open a shop for you with the little money I saved.
Wait. You want to open shop for me?
I want you to be leaving this house. Like, get busy, be useful to yourself. Is it bad?
Wait, you have to open shop for me so that I'll not be selling something and making money for myself.
You don't like it?
Just like that. Jesus, just like that. Billionaire in the making billionaire. I will say, sister, do you know that one thing about sister, apart from all this thing, all this body thing, all this stubborn, you are still the best sister ever.
So I'm stubborn.
No, let's not go there first. You know that you are a very sweet soul. Like, you are a very, very, very good person.
As I know you are my only sister, and I have your best interest at heart, I can do anything to make you happy. So, an agent called me. He said that there is a vacancy, so that's where I'm headed now. I want to go and check out the place.
Sister, see me, I will say like lion. I will say everything. That anybody will pass my shop must buy something.
If the person no buy, you go drag her.
I will drag. You go to hear it every day.
I trust you.
I will drag.
The person must buy.
In fact, you don't even need to make the place very big. Even if the place is like gutter size, I'll turn it to supermarket. Trust me. I will change everything. Don't worry.
Sister, don't worry.
Sister, God bless you.
I trust you.
God keep on blessing you, providing for you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Aye.
It's okay now. Take care of your house.
Give me your phone, let me hug you.
I know. You are very happy.
I want you.
At least you'll be leaving the house.
Yes, so.
You start making your own money. From there, you buy your own mansion.
And I'll be my house. I'll buy my car. My big sister. I'm gonna. If I bring my own get man like this now, maybe this mumu guy right there. I go treat and caution and tell and say, look at what I want. No disrespect. You go respect me forever till you come up from my house. This my sister, better person. I swear. Upon say she don't get anything, no. She don't get plenty. Now the small one when she get, she still give me. Her husband they give her money. But that small one when she get, when she don't even know what tomorrow will tell her. Guy and they open shop for me. What if she marry better person when they give her money? Let me see my life go down soft. God, now they take it great things. This life no balance.
Asa! Who is in this house? Damian! Amarachi! Where are they? I said, who is in this house? Asa! Where are you people hiding? Huh? All right, I will wait for you. I will wait here. I will sit here and wait for you. think I'm here for you.
I'm good, but not too good. Lot of dramas, you know, I'm still here. I'm trying my best to make sure Damien kicks that his local wife out. I want her out of the picture. You know how long I've been in love with him. I just want him to see me more than his bestie, to fall in love with me. Hey! Excuse me. Where are you running to, if I may ask?
Is it your business?
Oh, well, it became my business the day you decided to become an FBI agent in this house.
Well, I'm just going. I want to relocate. It's not like I'm running. I want to relocate because I'm not a prisoner here.
Relocate to where? Relocate care. Well, you actually look like one with this your village bag. Are you sure you have not stolen anything in this house? Yeah. So where are you running off to? I'm asking you, where are you running off to? See, if you disrespect me today, I will put you in your place.
I know that. Wait, why are you want to fight me?
Better start to respect. Eh? What do you want to do? It's today that you will know that we are not mates. Try it now. If you... I will not you. I will not you. I will not you. I will not you. Try it. Try it. Come on. Get back into this house because I've been ignoring you. If you pull my head. If you pull my head.
I see.
Drop back here. Yeah? Okay. This nonsense we have to end. Yeah? I am taking you home. You think I will not catch you? Huh?
But now wait now. That's how you're going to pick. I just wanted to go to the back and
shut up.
Go and check something.
Shut your mouth. Eh? You stubborn girl. We are going home today.
Hello, sir. You have to take her out of this house ASAP, like ASAP. If you don't do it now, you won't be able to do it when Damien and Amarachi return. So just do it this minute.
I don't care. I don't care if Damien or Amarachi is here. I'm taking her home right away.
I'm not going anywhere. Let me go pack my things.
Pack your things right here.
Pack my things now. My things are not complete.
It's complete.
It's not complete. I just want to send my things.
And now let me ask you, who is still leaving this house? You. I have warned you. Remember the bets?
The fight never complete. It never even start. This is just the beginning.
Okay, you're fighting from the village, right?
It has not started. Don't worry. Calm down.
See her mouth.
Let me go and pick my things.
No, you are not going anywhere. We are going home. No, I will flog you. If you resist, I will flog you. Open that door. Open that door.
And that's a female. Who has won? I have won the game. So, Amarachi will be the next wave because I can't wait to take my position. Not very long infidel. Oh, I forgot to lock my car.
Stop this here. Even if you take me home, I will still run away. I will still go back. I will still disappear.
You think this is a game? Hide and seek game? No. We are going home. I am taking you home now.
You're a very wicked man. Evil man. I hate you so much and I will never forgive you. I mean it. I will never forgive you. You will not see this thing now. It's in the future time you understand this thing I'm telling you.
Whatever you want to say that. Okonkwo is taking you. Chief Okonkwo is taking you home. So let's go. Look, if you ever run away from this thing, I will hit it on your head.
Old man that cannot respect himself. It's even better you kill me so that I'll know what I'm doing with my life.
Okay. You think you will hide? You think you will run away, Mbano? Before you think of that, Okonkwo has made arrangement.
Yes, I'm coming. Madam, I'm fine. In fact, madam, I'm not fine.
What's the problem?
Problem deal. I just dey here. Just like that. One man just enter here. Bundle asa. And he seen the put hand. They bundle am. Carry come out.
I don't understand. What do you mean by someone came here? Bundle hat where?
If you see the way they carry asa. Asa. If you see the way they take carry asa, a bundle like a small stone where David put for catapult, use and keep going.
Stop talking rubbish. Where did they take her to?
I know. Just like that. They carry asa go. Asa did not even tell me. Asa they try. Asa fought. Asa fight. He said no one go. He no one go. He try. But based on say how Asa be, they carry him. Oh, they carry Asa. Asa they carry you.
Where is Cindy?
Cindy dey inside.
Cindy!
Asa. You don't tell me say you won't go like this. Oh. You don't tell me say you won't go like this. Oh. No bye bye. No see you later. Ha! They don't carry you. You don't go. No bye bye. Asa.
Cindy. Cindy! Where is my sister? Where is my sister? Where is my sister? I'm asking you a question. Where is my sister?
You're barking. Gosh. Well, she has come back to where she belongs to, and that is the village. Bush.
You must really have some guts. Like you must really have some nerves, Cindy. Cindy, what's giving you morale? Was they keep you quiet? What's giving you morale, Cindy? You think because my husband allowed you into my home, you can now detect who stays and who goes, right? Who do you think you are, Cindy? Who are you?
I am who I am. Well, like I was saying, your sister, like, she has done enough. And this house is too small to contain 3 women and 1 man. Come on.
You dare not talk trash about my sister, Cindy. You dare not! What am I even saying? Let me call my father first. I think I have time for all this rubbish.
You care so much about your dwarf of a sister.
How dare you? Are you okay? How dare you call my sister a dwarf? Have you lost it?
You're hurting me.
I will hurt you now. Are you mad? Who do you think you are?
You're hurting me.
I will put this your long line. I will just drag it out now. You are mad. Have you lost it? How dare you say nonsense about my sister? If I hate you now.
You're hurting me.
Idiot. Because I've been keeping you quiet. You think you have a say in this house?
Hey! Finally, my answer is back home. Uncle, you are a man of your words. This is a man of cable. Don't worry, I will do something.
God will punish both of you.
Yeah.
God will definitely punish both of you for this evil act. Ichie, I believe you are educated. I believe you know about law. And you know that this is punishable by law. If I should report you, you know you will spend all your life in jail. So I advise you withdraw from this evil act. Now.
Now, lawyer.
Well, you take good care of my daughter.
I will, definitely.
He said this is why I love her. All right.
You are old enough to be my father. Stop. You people should stop this thing now. If I was to be your daughter, will you do this to me?
That is why, that is the spirit. That is why I chose you to be my wife. I like them very stubborn. Very, very stubborn. Don't worry, I will transfigure you. I will change you to become a queen. Look, this is one of them. I have this one, like 5. I will take it to my house.
Where were you when they bundled my sister out of this house?
Honey, I told you. I had an important meeting. I told you ahead of time. I went for a meeting. I wasn't around.
You had an important meeting. That was why your so-called BFF had the right to bundle my sister out of this house with my father. Why? What is wrong with her? Now my father is on his way to take Asa to one old man to marry her. Why?
What?
Yes.
What are you saying?
You heard me right. You heard me loud and clear. My father is taking Asa to one old man that's enough to be her father to marry her. And she told me that if this ever happens, she will harm herself. If anything should happen to my sister, I will never forgive your so-called BFF. What is all this?
Come on. No one told me this. You never made mention of it. You were just saying for the very first time. And I've never seen you this angry for once.
Why would I be angry? All thanks to your so-called BFF. What is all this? This is what I've been dealing with since I got married to you. It's about you and her. What is this? Now my sister is going to marry one old man because of her. If anything should happen to my sister, I will hold your so-called BFF and my father responsible. I'm going to look for her.
Hold on. Let me.
Don't worry, don't bother. Go and continue and do yourself your so-called BFF. Don't worry.
Dina, you have to call Amarachi back. You have to. Because I cannot stay on the same roof with that demon, that dwarf. No. You have to stop her from coming back.
Will you shut your mouth up? Shut your mouth up. You run your mouth too much. You talk too much. Let me ask you. Were you not in this house when she was sneaked out of this place?
I didn't know she was being sneaked out. I only went to get fetch water and
And what? And what? Do not lie to me. And what? Because the timing was so perfect. You knew father came. She was taken away. I did not say anything. Nothing.
What was I supposed to do? Stop a father from carrying his daughter? Hell no. Come on.
You aided it. You gave him my house address, isn't it? Listen real good. If anything happens to that girl, if anything happens to her,
what will you do? Tell me. Damian, what has come over you? This is not you.
Get out of my sight.
For real?
That money you talked about, I will wire that money in your account this night. I know I already have your account number. What you need to do is just dream about me. You know? Oh, okay. Dream about me. Yes, sweetheart. Oh, the less? Oh, okay, that less I saw in your status. I consider it's done now. The one is there. Ego dollar. I will buy it for you. But the way you touched me the last time he came here, I don't know what Jesus. I don't need it now. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. Please, I can't wait for you to come again and touch me. It's so cool. You're so sweet. Oh, honey, my honey. Honey, my tea.
Papa.
Honey, please, well, just a minute. Amarachi, what are you doing here?
Hey, Papa, so you came to my house and dragged Asa like a thief in the middle of the night. And here you are, flirting on the phone with one of your toy girls. Papa, what kind of a father are you? Tell me.
Amarachi, Asa is my daughter. I have every right to take her anytime I want.
No, Papa, you're wrong. Papa, you are wrong. Why will you take her away without my consent? After everything I did for her. I was about establishing her. She's my sister as well. My only sister for that matter. Why will you come to my house and drag her away without my consent? Why, Father? Why?
She is not your daughter. You know that? She is mine.
Okay, no problem. Where is she? Asa!
Chief have taken her.
Eh?
Chief have taken her. He came too late.
Papa, I know you're joking. Please, let's not play with each other. Don't play with me. Where is my sister? Asa! I don't understand. What do you mean by Chief has taken her? Taking her to where? What are you saying?
Oh, you don't understand me. Chief Okonkwo has taken her.
Taking her to where exactly? Papa, what is wrong with you? I don't understand. Why will you sell out my sister? My little sister to an old man? What is it? A man that is old enough to be her father. For that matter, what is this? I don't understand. What is this, Father? Tell me. What? Listen to me. If anything should happen to Asa, my sister, I will hold you responsible. Rubbish.
Oh. My sweetheart, sorry for the disturbance, you know. No, she's not my girlfriend. It's one of these tenants coming to worry. How can I look for another girl where you are my honey, the honey in my tea?
Hello? I have not seen her, sir. I have not seen her. As a matter of fact, I went to Chief Okonkwo's compound and they told me that the man has left for the city with her. I didn't meet them. I don't know. I don't know. Hi, Chineke God. See, if I did not see my sister, if I did not see her, sir, I will not be happy. I will not be happy. I'm serious. What kind of thing is this now? Eh? It's okay, no problem, it's fine. I'm turning back now. Hi. Can't deal with this.
Wait, what are you doing? Are you calling the police because of Asa?
Of course, I am calling the police.
Why though? This is not a serious issue. Just let it be. She is fine wherever she is.
Can you hear yourself talk? Didn't you hear my wife shouting and saying that she was packaged like a commodity? And you're here telling me that she'll be fine.
I was only trying to...
Trying to do what?
Help.
This is a fellow girl like you. bundled and taken to an old man like a meat. Come on.
You're shouting.
You want to be polite about this? Talking about a fellow woman like you? And you said that I'm shouting? If you were to be the one, how will you feel? No, how will you feel?
So it has gotten to this. You're shouting at me. You no longer have time for me. Damian, I am your best friend.
Papa, please give me Okonkwo's number. I want the man's number now.
Look at this girl. Who are you to order me around? Eh?
Papa, why would I order you around? No, answer me. Why would I order you around? What kind of a father are you? Eh? Why will you sell Asa to that old man? Why? A mother is old enough to be her father. Hi, Papa, you have mind. Papa, you have mind. Please give me his number. I don't have this time.
I will not give you anything. Asa is also my daughter. I won't give you anything.
She's my only sister, for crying out loud. What is this? Papa, why do you hate us so much? I want to know. Please tell me. Why do you hate us so much? Ever since Mama died, you have been maltreating us. You don't care about us. Have you even been a father to us for once? No. What is this? You don't treat us as if you're our father. All you care about is money, money, money. You just want to push us to a man and collect your bride price. You don't even want to know if the man is old or not. What is this? Eh? Where is your conscience? No, tell me, Papa, where is your conscience? Do you even know where I stay in the city? Do you even know where I live? No. The only time you asked for my house address was when you wanted to come and bundle Asa to sell her out to that old man. I don't understand. What kind of a father are you, Papa? Where is your conscience? Have you sold it for money? No, tell me. That old man that goes about this village molesting young girls. Have you not heard about it? Yes, you took my only little sister to him. Why? I will not be alive and watch that old man molest my sister. Give me his number.
I will give it to you. Eh? Before you are crying, we wake up the whole city. Because I will give you. Let me get the number. That is the number. Read it well.
Let this better be the correct number.
Is the correct number? He gave it to me. Huh? Hey, this girl will kill me here. Huh? You could say that to me. I will rest for her. Yeah.
What is it? Damian.
Oh, she sent a message. Hello, my name is Inspector Carlo, calling from State CID. Listen, I am aware you have one Miss Asa in your custody. The police are after you, we are watching you, we know your current location, so do not move an inch. I have a warrant to get you arrested and put you behind bars.
Eh? You say? Eh? Hello? Who do you say you are again?
Did I stutter? I said my name is Inspector Carlo. We are watching you, we will know your current location. So do not move an inch. We are coming there. Like I said earlier, I have a warrant to get you arrested.
Okay, thank you. Here. Police ikwa. Because of woman. Police ikwa. You this little girl. Okwango. Ngwa bia. Bia kiss that. Come. Behind.
Damien, how could you pretend to be an inspector? Don't shush me. Allow me to talk. You're pretending to be an inspector. Do you know that this offense is punishable by law? It is called impersonation and you can be prosecuted for it. Gosh. I mean, just take a chill pill, you know. Relax, bestie. Damien, you no longer have my time. Bestie.
I need to see you now.
Bestie.
Me, because of a woman, they will call police. Is it not wife that I want? So, you're not person. Hello? Are you serious? Oh. Hey! No, so you mean they tricked me? Huh? Yeah, they tricked him. Thank you very much. Driver, Biko, start. Driver, start. Go on.
Emeka.
Sir?
Can you repeat what you told me?
Thank you. Sir, man, not talk. Okay. He said, so, based on my reputation, you say I know they talk, I know they lie. I make me say this thing, man, I won't just tell you as it take be. I see Auntie Cindy. Auntie Cindy break that call for her side. He make the call. The first ring I put my ear. I hear Auntie Cindy they tell the man, say, no Allah asago, that the policeman na fake. I got to put here. How Auntie Cindy will make this guy call? I got to say not true. Say, yeah, no Allah asago, the policeman na fake. I say, don't be you. Don't be.
You had that. You gave out my house address.
No, I did not.
You did not. You almost destroyed me and my wife. You practically put everything, when I said everything, I mean everything at risk.
I'm sorry. I thought like and I was only trying to help.
Help? You almost destroyed everything. Everything I've labored for all through my life, Cindy. Almost everything.
I'm sorry.
You are wicked. Cindy, you are heartless. How could you? How could you do this, Cindy? How could you betray my friendship? You put everything at risk. Why?
I'm sorry.
I trusted you. I trusted you with my life. I trusted you with my soul. Everything that made me who I am. Sin. Listen. I listen real good. Henceforth, I do not want to set my eyes on you. And never! Don't come close. Don't you ever in your entire life contact me. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Pack everything that belongs to you. And leave my house. Now.
Sorry. Please. Bestie.
Leave now!
If I not temper me, just sweet.
Go back to your duty post.
Sir, do you need water?
Get out from here!
Damian. Bestie. Do you really want me to leave? Bestie. Do you really want me to leave?
Stop there. I warned you. I asked you never to come to my house again. And so what are you doing here?
Amarachi called me. She said you are not feeling fine. That's why I'm here.
Amarachi. I have not seen Amarachi for the past 2 days. Hey. Is this a game? Is this a plan from you to walk your way into my house again? Is that? My friend, get up and leave my house!
There will be no need for that. I called for this meeting. Hello, everyone. Please have your seat. Have your seat, Mr. Damian. How have you been? I guess you're good. Damian, I trusted you. I was with you even when things were rough. You promised to love me, but you ended up betraying me. Why?
I am sorry. I never knew you were jealous. Honestly, if I had known, I would have stopped. Oh, please. Please, I am begging you. Find a way you had to forgive me, please.
You promised to be there for me. You promised to love me forever, but you ended up ruining it by yourself.
I am sorry.
And you're here saying that you never knew I
was jealous.
I feel jealous. Oh, you have to wait for me to feel jealous before you act right as my husband? Really?
Like I said, I am sorry. Deeply sorry. If you want me to go on my knees to apologize to you, I will go on my knees and apologize to you. I am sorry. Please, forgive me.
Damien, you know what? There will be no need for all these apologies. So just stand up.
Thank you. And one more thing. There's this secret I've kept away from you all along. I've been wanting to tell you this secret. Looking for a better time, a better place to tell you this secret. And I believe this is the time and hour to tell you this secret. Cindy and I
have been having a secret affair, you mean? Is that what you want to say to me?
You know about it?
Of course I know. I know everything that has been going on in this house. But I choose to keep quiet. I know everything that you have been doing with your so-called BFF. Damien, you turned our matrimonial home into a sex feud for you and your so-called BFF. You both practically had sex on our matrimonial bed, in the kitchen, on the staircase, even this couch you're seated on can bear me witness. You think I don't know? You were doing all that thinking that you married a naive village wife, right? And I don't know anything. I don't have a say in my own husband's house. That is why you did all that to me. What do you men really want? Damien, tell me, what do you men really want? When you got married to me, you told me that you want me to be wearing married women dresses so that other men will not see me and find me attractive. That is what you told me. I said, okay, fine. I started dressing the way you want as my husband. And then you turned around and started cheating on me with your so-called BFF that is always dressing half naked. What do you men want? Oh, you're sorry. Nice one. Nice. Damien, I'm not sure you truly know who your so-called best friend is. Or should I do this spilling myself? Dear BFF? Oh, I guess she didn't tell you.
My medication is finished. You promised to send some to me and you haven't. Please. You know I do not want this HIV to escalate more than this. Please. I don't want it to be so obvious. I don't want Damien to know. You know, he was so disappointed. Please, just look for a way. You have a rider's number, just send it down. You want me to dry up looking skinny and he will start questioning me what's wrong with you? How will he feel when he knows that I am HIV positive? Please, I'm begging you, send, just, please. Okay, I'll forward the money to you. You know that's not an issue. Just do what you're supposed to do. I'll be waiting.
Your so-called BFF is HIV positive. Yes. And you have been sleeping with her without protection. How careless can you be? Damian, if you know you wanted to cheat on your wife, why can't you do the needful? Take her to hospital and run some checkup. You don't just start strafing because you want to straff. Now look at where you've ended. Look at you. I actually wanted to tell you, but I'm sorry.
Hey! My sister, give me 5 first. Give me, first of all, you are intelligent, you are smart, you are everything. So that was why you are telling me, calm down. My sister, calm down. I know what I am doing, but I did not know. I just wanted to take quick action. You, HIV, Obirina Georgia. How? Jesus, he go loud. I swear to God. Since I cannot fight you, sickness will fight you and bring you down. Look at him, Kodoski.
When I found out that your so-called BFF was HIV positive, I quickly ran to the hospital to run some checkup.
Smartness.
And luckily for me, I was free. After 3 months, I went back. In fact, I went to 3 different hospitals to be sure. Luckily for me, I was free.
Thank you, Jesus.
Dear BFF, are you surprised of how I found out about your little secret? I overheard your phone conversation with your doctor when you were telling him, please, I need my drugs. I need my drugs. I don't want this sickness to start showing on my body. I heard everything.
See why you have irritating skin, because nobody normal can have this kind of scratch dirty skin.
That was why I stopped having an affair with you, and then I played along since you want to enjoy life, right? I had to let you be. I had to let you to do your thing, even when my sister was always fighting me, telling me that you will be here, they will take your husband away from you. I told her, calm down. I know what I'm doing. You see, while you were busy enjoying yourself, enjoying life with your infected HIV BFF, I was busy building myself. I registered for an online class. And today, I can boldly say that I am a successful business owner. All thanks to God. Hello. Sorry, am I speaking to Mr. Benson? Okay. My name is Mrs. Amarachi. I want to register for your online classes. Yes, sure. Alright, just send the account number. I'll make payment immediately. Okay, sir. So, now, you see that two can play? You think you're smart, but I am smarter than you. And my lawyer is on his way with our divorce papers. Please, make it snappy. Because if you don't, you will not like the outcome. I think the meeting is over. We're done here. So enjoy your life with your BFF forever.
BFF? bestie. Obinada tabure madire time. Badimo. Obinada tabure madire. Obinada tabure mama maronya budaja. Hey. Jesus, I've done it again in my life.
I said you're not serious.
Damien, now that you're divorced, positive plus positive, can work. Just put a ring. Please.